Hello students, this is question number 5 of IOQM 2025 and 26. In this question they said that how many 3-digit numbers A, B, C with base 10 are there with A not equal to 0 and C is equal to A plus B. Now in this question we need to make different cases and check for it. Now first of all, if I can say about the value of C. Now the value of C can range from 0 to 9. And along with that, the value of B also range from 0 to 9. Since A is the first digit, therefore A cannot be equal to 0. Therefore, A has to be starting from 1 to 9. Along with that, C has to be equal to A plus B. Now we'll start taking the cases for C. Now this is C. Another one is C is equal to A plus B. And here we are going to see the ordered pairs A comma B such that C is equal to this. Starting with C is equal to 0, then moving on to 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on till 9. Now, if C is 0, then A and B has to be equal to 0. And if A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0, then we cannot get any ordered pair from here. Now, if C is equal to 1, then A can not be equal to 0. Therefore, B have to be equal to 0. So the sum C A plus B is equal to C means 1 plus 0 is becoming equal to 1, and hence the ordered pair will be 1 comma 0. And in this case, the number, if I'm going to look at it, then it has to be 1 0 1. Similar way, if I'm going to talk about for C is equal to 2. Now the cases here we are going to have is the first ordered pair, that will be 1 comma 1, and the second ordered pair will be 2 comma 0, and no other ordered pair will be possible. For the third case, for C is equal to 3, then we'll have the ordered pairs starting with 1 comma 2. The next will be 2 comma 2, and the last one will be 3 comma 0. Into 4, we can see the ordered pairs we have is 1 comma 3. Then we'll have 2 comma 2. Then we'll have 3 comma 1, and lastly we'll have 4 comma 0 as the ordered pair. So similarly, if I'm going to look at for the last part, that is for C is equal to 9, then we'll have ordered pairs as 1 comma 8, and it will be reaching towards the point when we are going to end towards 9 comma 0. Now how many numbers will be possible? So from the first place we'll have one number possible, then from the second place we'll have two numbers possible, from the third case we'll have 3, then we'll have 4. So as much the value of C, that many numbers are possible over here. So C value is coming out to be equal to 9. So 9 numbers will be possible over here. So the total number of numbers, that will be equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3, and it will reach towards 9. So this sum is going to be equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and this is going to be equal to 45, and which makes 45 as the final answer, and the same is been mentioned by IOQM final answer key as well.